Good morning, student. Today you will learn about the playing with numbers. What is factor, multiplies, and prime factorization. What is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number is called factor. Example: 6. Their factor is 1, 2, 3, 6. Exact divisible: 6 is exact divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 is factor of every natural number and largest number is divisible by itself. What is multiplies? We multiply by 4 every natural number. We multiply by 4 every natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We get 4 into 1, 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4, 8, 12 and 16. We multiply by 4, we get 4, 8, 12 and 16. What is prime factorization? When numbers are written as a product of only prime factor. Repeat definition. When numbers are written as a product of only prime factorization is called prime factorization. Ten into 4 is equal to 40 is equal to 10 into 4. 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. 40 number, their factors 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. These are prime factorization and this is called a split method. You can find out the prime number with the three way. First, a splitting method. You can do this way, 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. This is called a splitting method. Second, tree method. (40) 10 2 5s are 10. Here 2 factors 5 into 10 and 4 here 2 factors 2 into 2. By the tree method, 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. Find out the HCF by the prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of 330 by division method. Example 330. This is a division method. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. 5 11s are 11 1s are. It means hence 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. These numbers are prime factors of 330. Find the factor of 36. Find the all factors of 36. 1 into a smallest factor and largest factor, it means divisible by 1 and itself. 36. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are factor of 36. This process you can find any number. They are all factors you can find out. Next question. Find the HCF of 10 and 14. Division by 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Factor of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Factor of 14 is equal to 1, 2, 7, 14. Common factor of 10 and 14 is equal to 1, 2. Hence HCF of 10 and 14 is 2. You have learned about the how you will find out the HCF of the given number. Find the next question. Find the largest 4-digit number. Find the largest 4-digit number by factorization method. Solution: largest number is equal to largest 4-digit number is equal to 9,999. Find the factors. Three threes are 9. Eleven ones are 11. 0, 1. Hence, three into 3 into 11 into 101 are the factors of largest number 9,999 4-digit number. Today I am going to give an assignment. You will complete.